Guys, welcome to my new vlog. So today I'm going to vlog about the Chamundi Hills. So we have planned to go there today, and by the way, we have a bus from the bus stop over there. From here we are going by a cab. So now we are just waiting for the cab to come, and after that from the bus stop we have a direct bus to Chamundi Hills. But we are planning to go by trekking. So while going, we are going to trek and go, and while coming back, we are going to come by bus. So that's our plan, and even the climate is pretty much good. It's not sunny at all, and now it's something 11 o'clock, and now we are gonna leave. We're just going near the clock tower and waiting for our cab, and here is our cab, guys. So now we are just going to go to the bus stop, and from there we are gonna go. We have already reached the bus stop, and now we are just inquiring about the right bus because we don't want to go directly to the Chamundi Hills, but we want to go from the foothills of the Chamundi Hills. So this is the right bus by which we can go there. So now we are just sitting in the bus, and we are just moving ahead. So this bus is going to leave us at the foothills of Chamundi. A bus has already dropped us, and now we are just moving. Now we are at the foothills of Chamundi. Let me show you all. And from here we are gonna climb 1,000 steps and go on top. So let's see. And guys, here you can see so many monkeys, like there are too many, and they are really very friendly, like they're not arrogant or something. And here you can see different rituals as well. People go on putting the kumkum at every step. People here believe that if you wish something near the goddess Chamundi, and if your wish is fulfilled, then they go on putting this kumkuma at each and every steps, so that their wish is completed. Now we have we have crossed 100 steps, and we are already done, guys. You can see the amount of sweat. Oh my god, only 100 steps and we are done, and still 900 steps are remaining. अजून 700. And see, guys, we are totally tired. We have crossed 300 steps now, and like वर्कआउट करके भी इतना पसीना नहीं आता उतना है अभी. break. So here we are just waiting for a small break. Like we are totally dehydrated, so we thought of eating some fruits, and still we have to go much far ahead. And here they prepare the like masala chaat fruit, something like this. I don't think so it is that hygienic, but my friends have taken it, so even I have tasted some. And at this point there are several chaat sections where you can just eat if you're hungry in between. And then here comes the Nandi. This is the biggest Nandi in the Chamundi, and also this is a cave temple. This is a cave Shiva temple. It is really very cold, guys. And these are some of our religious girls. They're too very religious. They sell some of the murtis, and these are the copper ones. Like the small are for 100 rupees and the bigger are for something 500 to 700 to 1000 rupees or something. So now finally we have crossed 800 steps and only 200 is remaining, and now we are just resting for a while. So this is the top view, guys. From here you can see the entire city of Mysore. And after this we are going to go to the main temple of Chamundi. So before that I would like to give you all a short info.
Granite.
Okay.
So it has the content of feldspar in it, that is orthoclase feldspar. The amount of orthoclase feldspar is more in this rock, that is why it is pink in color. And this is called as pink granite.
Achha.
And this is a batholith structure, and the whole of your Chamundi is made up of this granite.
Guys, we have finally reached on the top and the view is amazing. Let me show you all. And it's so very nice. We are enjoying and we have crossed our 1000 steps. So it's time for some of the self-portrait. So I'm just taking that, just sitting and having my time. So now moving further again. So here I'm doing all my shitty things like I do every time. Do you wanna see Amba Bai? Look at her. Amba Bai. Here there is something, guys. So very cute. I will show you. Guys, the climate in Mysore is really very cold, and you can see even the monkeys are hugging and sitting together over here. Guys, we have finally reached the Chamundi Hills, that is on the top, and here we have the Chamundeshwari temple, and this is the temple area which I'll be showing you all one by one, right from the darshan to everything. The darshan also, guys, there are two sides. One is the paid one and another one is the non-paid one. For the non-paid one we have to take so many rounds and go in the line, and the paid one they can immediately go and take the darshan. So now we are already inside the temple. We are just moving in this line for the darshan purpose. So we are already inside now, but I don't think so they are allowing here the phones and cameras, so I don't think so I can vlog much inside the temple. So let's see. Radhika and Sheru. Finally we are going back, and while going back. As I told you all, we are going to go by bus. So yeah, now we are in the bus. So let me show you all. So again, we have booked a cab to go back to our hostel. So this cab is pretty much, they have taken the precautions over here. Now we have finally come back to our hostel and we are so very tired that we want to rest now. So yeah, I have just now got fresh and everything. So I'll be resting. So see y'all in the next vlog. Until wait.